Welcome to part 1 of the SQL tutorial. In today's lesson, we'll learn about the from clause as well as the cross-join. When we run a SQL statement, the first thing SQL runs is the from clause to see which tables we are getting the data from. Here we have two tables. We start the from clause with the word from. It is typically written in uppercase for readability. Next, we can write the table name we want to get the data from directly after the from keyword. If we write eats, then we get the eats table. We can also specify the person table. Sometimes we want to get data from multiple tables. There are many ways to do this, but let's cover the simplest way. The cross-join is a way to generate a table that is the result of combining every row in the first table with every row in the second table. Let's quickly walk through an example. First, we combine the first row of table 1 with the first row of table 2. We add the data for row 1 of table 1. Then the data for row 1 of table 2. Then we do the same for row 1 of table 1 and row 2 of table 2. Then we get the combinations for the second row of table 1 with the rows in table 2. Here's the resulting table. We can write a cross-join by writing the two table names, separated by commas. Or we can swap the comma out for the keywords, cross-join. This will yield the same result. We can also join 3 or more tables by just doing the cross-join multiple times. In this case, we would get the cross-join of eats and drinks, and then cross-join that result with the person table. Great! In part 2, we'll learn how to select columns and start writing full SQL queries.